for joining me. So my car's been going through a bit of a change. I didn't put a video up on doing it because I didn't really do anything. I got some new front wings, replaced the ones with the with the vents on because they were fiberglass, and now I've got normal metal wings. My opinion, it looks 10 times better because it's just smooth. So let's go outside, let's have a look. This isn't the video, by the way. I've also got another thing. So here's the new wings. They look 10 times better. I love them. So, I've also made side steps as well, which go well with the front splitter. Forgot to do a video on that. Anyway, so this video isn't anything to do with that. It's to do with this. Yes, of course. One of my injectors have failed. That's why it was running on 5 cylinders. So the plan is not to take the plenum off because it's only cylinder 1. So what we're going to be doing is dremeling the plenum very slightly. I'll show you what I mean. Right, so where is it? This is the injector, which is reading at 0.2 ohms, so there's no resistance whatsoever going on there. All the others are reading about 14, 13, well, they're all 13 to be honest, not 14. The one I've got at the moment is reading 13, so that's good. So yeah, what we're going to do is move some of these wires out of the way, obviously unplug them, move them out of the way, Dremel the a bit, come on, I hate these clips. Yeah, Dremel the what do you call it? There we go. Dremel in there, so we're able to get to there, and then it should just pull out. It should pull out. I'm not saying it will, but it should. Alright, so let's crack on. So far we've got everything off, we've got all the plugs out, we've got the cover off as well. Now I did have to Dremel, as you can see it's Dremeled down there, which gives it a good line down there. I did have a bit of an issue with one of the screws. As you can see, it is rounded off quite a bit. Now I can't even focus on it. There we go. Now all I did was Dremel the sides and emphasize the crosshair. You know, really to emphasize it, so I got quite a good grip on that. So I managed to get that out after not much of an issue. So here's the dead injector, and all we're going to do is pull it out. I've got some long snips, whatever they're called. I'm just going to pull it out and then put the new one in. Make sure you don't damage the seals either. I've got all new seals, courtesy of my friend Jake, who we did actually do a video with. We were doing this on his Z because his injector were leaking, so this is more or less the exact same or very, very similar. So let's get this injector out. With the injector out, this one, the purple one, is the one that's failed. It actually looks very, very different to the one I'm going to be putting in. But that one is actually, it looks like an aftermarket one. It's got JECS on it, which I know do a lot of stuff for this car. And I believe this is just a genuine like Nissan one. So anyway, here we go. Let's put it back in. Let's hope it works. So the car's running, everything will back in. However, make sure when you put them back in, don't nip the seals like I did. When you do that, this is the bottom seal. It's absolutely destroyed. If you nip the bottom seal, then this happens. like, it's not as bad, the video I took, but fuel actually dumps out the exhaust like really, really bad. It goes everywhere, so be very, very careful of that. I thought my car was going to explode, and then I actually hydrolocked the engine very slightly. But it's sorted now, it's running, and that's how you do it. It's quite easy to do without taking the plenum off. So it's been a bit of a mess up one, this one, but I fixed it in the end. Sorted. Well, after all this, it weren't actually the injector. I double checked the injector, and it was actually, the ohm thing was actually alright. It was the wiring which was giving it a false reading. It actually just turned out to be a coil pack connector. It had come off very slightly. So all this hassle for absolutely nothing. But yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget you can like it, share, subscribe. Plenty more videos to come. See you all real soon.